There's something so rewarding about making your own stock from scratch. And I'm going to be using these chicken wings because there's loads of flavour in chicken wings and they're inexpensive. So I'm going to remove them from the pack and I'm going to cut them into 3 pieces so we get them roasted up quick. So I'm going to use the whole chicken wing, the wing tip, the centre cut, and the little drumette. All of it has loads of flavour for a stock. And I always tend to make my stocks when I have excess vegetables in my crisper or I want to get rid of some of my herbs that have wilted. For example, in my pot over here, I've started to fry off some parsley stalks, onion, celery, a little bit of garlic, some bay leaves and some thyme. Lots of great flavours for a stock. So after I've finished chopping up the chicken, this goes into the oven with a bit of salt and olive oil and I roast them at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're well caramelised, because that is going to create a delicious brown stock. Okay, these have caramelised nicely, so now it's time to place them into the pot with our vegetables. And you see on this tray that there's lots of caramelised bits. That is flavour, so I'm not going to waste that. I'm going to deglaze it just with some water. So in with our wings. Fabulous. We'll pop this directly on the heat with a splash of water. And then the rest of the water goes into our pot and we'll add enough water to completely submerge the chicken wings. And now with a spoon, I'm just going to deglaze this pan, so scrape all those caramelised bits off. And we'll simply pour this back into our pot. So that right there is the beginning of a fantastic stock. Going to bring it to the boil, skim off any of the impurities that come to the surface and let this gently cook for about 2 hours. That's all it takes to make delicious stock. After 2 hours, the stock is ready to be strained. Look at this liquid gold. I love homemade stock. After you've strained it, just place it in containers, cool it. You can leave it in the fridge, or if you want it to last even longer, in the freezer. And that is perfect for your next risotto, soup, or stew.